Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are talking about the Haunts and Harvests September 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. The third project in the kit is the apple, or maybe it's a strawberry, not 100% sure. You can make it whatever you want. With the dots on the outside, it almost looks more like a strawberry. And it's got the two little leaves. And the instructions actually call for you to use one of the wire raffia pieces to make the curly cues. But on the picture, they actually have a piece of linen thread. I tried to make a bow with the raffia. I was not as successful as I would like to be. So I opted for choosing some linen thread that had come in a previous paper pumpkin. And I just tied a bow by making 2 loops and tying them together. And it's a bit fiddly, but it's the easiest way I know to make a bow that you're not tying around anything. Just grab your loops and pull them through, and there's your bow. And you can adjust the loops to however large you would like them to be. So, and you can trim your ends. So I'm just going to trim those ends off, and then you can use a glue dot. And this is where your piercing tool comes in handy, because you can pick that glue dot up, you stick it on your finger, peel the backing off of it like this. And you can see I've still got the dot on my finger. I'm just going to roll the edges in with my piecing tool, or piercing tool, and then pick that up, put it on the back of the bow like that. There we go. And then I can use that to stick the bow down onto the leaves on the top of the card. So that's both versions that I did the vine version that just hooks on the top, and there's also the bow version. So thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions on how to make the raffia into a bow, I would love to hear them. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.